Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 29th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir Stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is up 22 cents, up 2.17%. We closed at 10.35. Post-market, we are at 10.32. That's minus 3 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the charts. As I mentioned yesterday, we had some problems breaking 10.13 in the past and even yesterday. But today, I am very happy to see that we broke that 10.13. So hopefully this is going to give us the push that we needed to reach this upward resistance here. So depending on when we reach it, we could be talking about 11.39. And if we reach it right here, we are talking about 11.86. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, okay, the first hour of the day was right here. So it was a move up during the first hour and we got stopped again at 10.13. People that don't believe in resistance should be looking at this. We tried yesterday during the last hour and nobody wanted to buy higher than 10.13. Here during the first hour of the day, the same thing. Nobody wanted to buy higher and let us close above. And then we came back down and then we tried again. We paused. And then we tried again, and then we succeeded. So on the 130 candle, we succeeded and we broke that psychological barrier at 10.13. Is there another reason why people would not buy the stock over 10.13? There's no fundamental reason for that. There's no fundamental reason for that. It's all psychological, 10.13. It's not 10.15, it's not 10.20, it was 10.13. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't need to know why, but I just need to know that once that barrier has been broken, then the flood is coming. So basically, this is why we have resistance, is that we are noticing that the stock is stopping at a certain price when it's a horizontal resistance, and it's stopping at a certain rate when it's a diagonal resistance. This is a side effect of what people have in their minds. And what people am I talking about? I'm talking about all of the investors that are investing in Palantir. I'm talking about the institutions, and I'm talking about the banks and the mutual funds and the retail investors. So these are all people that are impacting the stock price. And I'm talking about the traders who just want to make a quick buck here and there. So all of these people, it's hard to study them and look at what they are thinking in their minds. The only way we can try to understand what is going on in their mind is by looking at the stock chart, because they are looking at the stock chart and the stock chart is impacting their behavior. And then we can understand that at certain point on the stock chart, they don't want to buy anymore, or they don't want to sell anymore, or they want to buy or they want to sell. So basically, we are studying the behavior of the herd by looking at this 15,000 feet picture. We are not looking at each individual, but we are looking at the herd behavior. So we broke 10.13 at 130. And then at 2:30, then we came a little bit shy. So we did not know, okay, was it a good idea? Should I sell now? Blah, blah, blah. But no, people came in and said, okay, we have broken this. Let's go in and look at the volume that we had on the last hour. Let's look at the indicators right now. So in terms of indicators, I complained a little bit about this decreasing level of stochastic. So this has been partially fixed. We are still under this decreasing strength of stochastic, while the stock is basically going a little bit higher. So this is a divergence. This is not fixed yet. So maybe if we have another great day on Monday, we should be able to break this and not have to look at this again. Everything else in terms of the indicators are super great. So let's just enjoy this. Let's just enjoy this while it lasts. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case we are going to talk on Sunday, where we are going to take a look at the weekly chart for Tesla, Palantir, and also the monthly chart, because we are basically at the end of the month, and also look at the VIX and the indices at the same time. And I do this as a YouTube live, so you can join me in the afternoon on Sunday Eastern time between 3 and 4 p.m. This is where I usually start, and then you can chat with me. It's quite fun. It's quite fun. It's a bit more interactive than what I am doing every single day with you guys. So thank you very much again. Have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.